Hey everyone, what's going on? Fun Tech Reviews here. I apologize for not posting recently. It's been kind of a crazy, hectic couple weeks here with work and other things like that. Hope everyone's doing okay. Today I have the Dekala Stone Smart Ambient Light Smart Home Lighting Specialist. It's a Wi-Fi speaker. It can sync with music, 16 million different colors, sleep aid, and sunrise alarm clock. Look at the side of the box here. As you can see, we have light therapy, perfect for various scenarios, getting some loving time in with your significant other, or just relaxing at home. A sleep assistant, a fading sunset creates an easy to sleep environment. Just on the back of the box here, Dekala is committed to building a futuristic and advanced life system which focuses on health, agility, safety, and individuality. So that's just the back of the box there. Here's the other side of the box. It has sleep assistant, biological benefits, no-brainer instruction, aesthetically pleasing design, perfect for various scenarios, all around glowing. Has a 2-year warranty, lifetime customer support, 30-day no question asked, money back, worldwide delivery. So if you are interested in this unit, please check the link in the description and I will point you to the right place to purchase this. Alright, so let's get this out of the box here and see what we have inside. That's it for inside the box. Got our instruction manual. Just kind of tells us some very different things. You can also QR code the manual as well. Here's your controls, selector, alarm clock, sleep aid, snooze, Wi-Fi, volume, and setting. Just some different things here. Set that aside. Here is our power adapter, USB on that end and a plug on that end. Set that aside. Now let's get into the main unit here. I must say this is a very nice design. You can stand it up or lay it down, whatever you prefer. Here's all your buttons, your selector knob, your speaker, your footrest or holder. And then here is the front of the unit. A very nice and sleek design. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up and see what it does. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have it connected to the app. I currently have it in a sea mode, so it just kind of goes through the different colors of the sea. There is a bunch of different other options. I will show you that in the app in just a moment. Alright, so when it's in standby mode, as you can see, it'll show you the time and the Wi-Fi indicator light. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the nighttime sleep aid. Alright, so as you can hear, this is the nighttime sleep mode. Just different sounds of nature. And after 30 minutes or however long you set this for, it will turn off automatically. Alright, in just a moment here, I'm going to show you the alarm setting on this device. And you can customize the color, the duration, the sound, all those different types of things. And then here comes the alarm, and you can also have it start off soft and get louder, or you could just have it go full blast as well. It's a nice little wake up tool. However, I'm a heavy sleeper, so this would not wake me up at all. But I do like the way it changes colors. Now you can customize the colors as well. I'm not sure how well you can see this on camera, but right now I have in just a rainbow color mode. There is also a standard mode where you can just select one specific color, or just have it turned off and just have it used as an alarm clock. I think this thing is pretty neat. Alright guys, let's take a look at the app here. It was very simple to download. It was just called Smart Life. It's available in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. One thing that is nice about this unit is it does support Amazon Alexa and Google Home. You can set routines with it. You can make it your own. So all I really did when I got in here is I just hit add a device and let it scan nearby devices. Once that was done, I entered my Wi-Fi password, and that was it. So let's go into the app here. As you can see, we show our time and date here. We'll click on that. You can do 24-hour time, network time, time hide. You can hide that. LCD brightness, you can adjust the brightness of the time on the screen. Night mode, You can choose that for between 10 and 7 a.m. When activated, time display dims to 10% of its default brightness. Next we'll go into alarm settings here. Once again, you can name this whatever you like, set your time. You can repeat it every day. You can select different sounds. They have none, bird, wave, valley, piano. I'm not even sure how to say the last one. You can do a sound effect. You can do progressive or normal. You can do 15 minutes of ring duration, or you can adjust it to however you like. You can set the volume on the unit. The max is 10. And that's it for that alarm. The second alarm is the same way. For the sleep aid, you can do a duration of 30 minutes. You can select your sleep aid sound. Here's all the different ones that they have. Light music, drizzle, white noise, fan, train, brainwave, R-wave, bonfire, chirp, ocean, forest, or none. And then down here we can have our night light. So if you just want to have that on by itself, you can do your color light. So this is adjustable to whatever you'd like. So if you like green, red, light blue, dark blue, white in color, yellow, pink, pretty much all the colors in that little circle there. You can adjust the brightness. You can also do ambient light. So you can select different presets here. I really like the rainbow. It just kind of cycles through all the colors. And the nice thing is it does kind of show you on the screen here what colors it's doing. You can also do sun, eclipse, neon, greensward, breath, aurora, sea, and spectrum. So let's go into the settings here. As you can see, you can view your device information. You can set tap and run automation. It works with Alexa or Google. You can have it notify you if the device goes offline. You can share the device. You can create a group, frequently ask questions and feedback. You can add it to your home screen, check the device network, and update the device. That's pretty much it for the app here. If we go into our smart scenes here on the app, we can actually create a scene. We can launch tap to run. Example, turn off all lights in bedroom with one tap. You can have it change when the weather changes, when location changes, a schedule, or when device status changes. So let's say we want to set something up for when the temperature is going to be very cold. You can set your home address and then that'll let you do your location. I'm just going to skip that for now. As you can see, I'm in Bismarck. So if the temperature is below 40, you can have it do certain things. You could run the device, select a smart scene, send notification, or delayed action. So we'll select our device here. And let's say when it gets below 40 below, I want it to do ambient light on, and LCD brightness is 4, and ambient brightness of as much as it can go, and hit next. This is kind of just the control logic here. If temperature is minus 40 below, then it'll turn on the ambient light, turn on the LCD brightness to 4, and then the brightness to 1000, and then we can hit save. It says automation created, would start using it. Yes. So the nice thing is you can turn this off, turn it on, you can delete it if you'd like. Very simple to use. Tap to run, you can create a scene. It's basically the same thing as automation. So let's say I want to run the device, we'll select that. And let's say we'll turn it on a light switch. We'll turn it on. And let's set the brightness to as much as it can go. And let's see, what else? Oh, color light bright. That's not what I wanted to do. Ambient light, we'll turn that on. Next. Again, another control logic. We'll hit save. It'll tell you that everything is set and you're good to go. So this is basically everything for the app. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. I will do a more in-depth review on it once I've used it for an extended period of time. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. And here's that control logic I set up